सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
As a dedicated rugged devices company, for more than half a decade, we always push the boundaries of rugged devices to meet the future-proof needs. By rethinking what a better rugged smartphone can offer, we bring about a breakthrough, innovative intercom technology into the ruggedized phone arena, introducing the all-new BV9500 Pro. It comes with leading-edge intercom technology, supporting 0.5 by 2 web hardware intercom, digital and analog dual channel, including China, United States, European Union, Russia and South Africa. Several optional frequencies included. You can connect with interphones or other intercom equipment, as long as they share the same frequency channel. BV9500 Pro's walkie-talkie feature meets the contact needs of various occasions, whether it is climbing, driving, skiing with friends, or working with colleagues indoor or outdoor. It is the most solid smartphone we ever built, featuring IP69 certified rating of water and dust proof. We have comprehensive protection for every component inside and outside the phone, ensuring every single one of the elements can survive from extreme weather, resulting in BV9500 Pro to be able to stand against water immersion in up to 6 feet for up to 2 hours, and resist 1450 psi high pressure and 80 degrees Celsius high temperature skin scouring. Also, by sealing off each single one of the ports from inside, dust, iron fillings, sawdust, sand, and all the other tiny dirt stays outside. BV9500 Pro is ultra durable with its extremely robust architecture, reinforced by aviation-grade aluminum alloy and industrial rubber. Built against shock vibrational drop, there is no match for this intercom rugged smartphone, and fear no more for this phone to be able to survive and where other phones fail. Inside the tough exterior of BV9500 Pro lies massive energy, a 10,000 mAh battery, custom crafted to pack maximum performance into a ruggedized body. And it's not just about big battery. Pump Express Plus fast charging and Qi wireless charging technology also come in handy, giving you the longest battery life out of any rugged smartphones, while still fully chargeable in a short period of time. BV9500 Pro features an advanced dual camera system. Its 16-megapixel main camera is equipped with a big f2 aperture and 6-element lens to capture clear photos. Combined with a depth of field sub camera, BV9500 can produce beautiful photos with creamy dreamy bokeh effect. It's also smarter, faster, more powerful and efficient than ever. The octa-core Helio P23 processor, 6GB RAM plus 128GB ROM and the latest Android 8.1 Oreo. Enables fast and snappy app launch, smooth switch from multiple apps, a bright 500 nit IPS display, Full HD Plus resolution, and solid 4-in Gorilla Glass 3 on top. BV9500 Pro makes photos and videos, looks as vibrant as real life. Side plates fingerprint recognition, safe and convenient to protect your personal privacy. BV9500 Pro is now a world phone. It supports numerous frequencies bands and offers incredible performance in global 4G network. The 2 SIM cards it supports, both compatible with various carriers. We have always asked ourselves, how can we improve our products to a new dimension? BV9500 Pro is the end result of this approach. By continuously building it as tough as we can, equipping it with our latest intercom technological achievements, and packing it in incomputable advanced configurations. It's the most amazing rugged smartphone, especially for those who need to communicate through intercom devices. BV9500 Pro can do things that no other phone has ever done. It's one of a kind.
If we are all unique, then why do all of our headphones look the same? This is the DOTS-M, the first fully customizable, modular and sustainable wireless headphone. A combination of award-winning eco-friendly design with high-end technology. The DOTS-M is a unique piece of technology engineered by our team that enhances the sound experience, taking it to the next level. It offers total isolation from all external noise through its innovative noise cancellation mode. With 40 hours battery life, the DOTS-M will let you feel the freedom. You'll appreciate the comfort of having everything on the same headphone, from voice assistant to answering calls and enjoying your favorite music. It's a meticulously crafted wireless headphone, made to be as unique as you. It's the first wireless headphone made with 3D printing technology, a technology that gives you the freedom to customize your own headphone from over 600 combinations, but also allows us to change the rules of the market. It's more stylish, more urban, more flexible, and more comfortable than any other pair of headphones you've used so far. The DOTS-M is 100% eco-friendly. It's made of high-quality materials that come from natural and renewable resources. Its production uses 65% less energy than traditional manufacturing. And its modular design allows us to truly break the after-sales paradigm of plastic waste. After 1 year of developing, prototyping, and testing the DOTS-M, we're ready to take the final steps to mass production. And all we need is your support. Join us and say hi to the awesome and sustainable sound.
I'm Nate Gaard, Chief Outdoors Officer of Gaard 1. My family and I are avid outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking, camping, and fishing, anything to get us outside. Over the last 2 years, we've been developing a multi-purpose backpack that not only solves common issues we've experienced in the outdoors, but also works to protect the wilderness we are at risk of losing. Introducing the Power of One. Whether you're on a wilderness adventure or tailgating at a football game, the Power of One keeps you charged up, safe, and ready for anything. The pack is revolutionary in that it's the most versatile, high-tech, and resourceful backpack to hit the market today. This premium water-resistant pack is equipped with an 11-watt detachable solar panel with a USB port for charging your electronics. Unzip it and you'll find one of the most advanced portable multi-tools, including a 12-volt vehicle jump starter, power bank with 4 more USB ports, a compass, SOS flashing lights, and an electronic lighter to start a fire. There is also an insulated side pouch for keeping things hot or cold, as well as front and back rechargeable LED lights to fully illuminate your path in front and to shine like a beacon to those behind you. This pack handles a simple human need, somewhere to sit. Engineered for both comfort and durability, using a lightweight aluminum base frame, the power of one effortlessly turns into a stool, offering a convenient seat for when you find that perfect spot upstream to sit and cast a line, or while hiking or just hanging around the campfire. And there's more. As a company, we believe in both respecting and protecting the great American wild. That's why for every dollar we receive, 1 square foot of wilderness land will be conserved and protected for generations to come. 1 for 1. You pledge 1, we guard 1. Scroll down to explore our campaign, learn more about our mission, and discover how you can become part of the movement to guard our land with the power of 1.
We started Linear with a mission to create minimalist, high-quality products for everyday use. Over the past years, we've launched 2 watch collections with crowdfunding. With the help of more than 7,500 backers, we were able to bring both collections to life. Thanks to all of you, we've been able to introduce a new segment of watches to the market: luxury-grade Swiss movement watches at disruptively low prices.
We're back on Indiegogo so that you, our early supporters, can be the first to own our new watches at a discounted early bird price. Our designs are inspired by my hometown of Oslo, where I grew up surrounded by minimalist design. This directly translates into how we make our products here at Linear, with clean lines, careful attention to proportion, and premium materials.
We're excited to present our latest designs, which explore new technical functions and new materials. All of our watches use movements from Ronda, a highly respected Swiss movement maker.
Each watch has a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective finishing. The crystal is scratch resistant and showcases the dial in its best light.
The cases are made of premium stainless steel, known for its strength and corrosion resistance. Finally, our leather straps are made of Italian vegetable tanned leather. This full-grain leather has a beautiful natural look and patinas over time. All of our straps are easy to remove and replace, so you can switch them out with a snap.
From day one, we've set out to change the luxury goods industry.
We work with the same suppliers as luxury brands, but we're able to offer our products for a quarter of the price by cutting out middlemen, prime real estate costs, and excessive marketing spend. And we pass the savings on to you.
After 3 years, we've amassed tens of thousands of happy customers who've joined us in redefining the luxury goods industry.
We're back on Indiegogo because we need your help to make this collection a reality.
Please share our campaign and thank you for backing us.